Agi Milltec is the largest grain processing machinery manufacturer. Agi Milltec's manufacturing base is in Bengaluru. We produce the complete range of machinery required for rice milling. We have a huge client base all over the world, with over 15,000 successful installations. Agi Milltec end-to-end grain processing solutions. 1. Pre-cleaners from 6 to 50 tons per hour. 2. Grain silos. 3. Steam boilers. 4. Full automation multi-purpose parboiling and drying technology. 5. Complete range rice milling machinery from 2 to 20 tons per hour. 6. Seed processing. 7. Pulse processing. Agi Milltec full automation multi-purpose parboiling and drying technology. Agi Milltec's parboiling system can produce even color grains of uniform quality. Our parboiling system ensures that the nutritional value is locked in and improves cooking quality. The process of parboiling and drying is carried out in 4 main steps. 1. Pre-steaming. 2. Soaking. 3. Final steaming. 4. Drying. The parboiling system starts with a feeding elevator, which carries the cleaning raw paddy to the day bin. The day bin fitted with level sensors. These sensors stop the filling when it reaches the predetermined level. Pre-steaming. Parboiling process carried in 2 methods. One is hot water soaking. The second is by cold water soaking. The process depends on the customer needs and paddy quality. Using our online cooker-based pre-steaming process ensures uniform steaming of each and every grain. Paddy is now given thermal treatment. This thermal treatment depends on temperature and time. Thermal treatment mainly ensures uniformly distributed heat to every grain that increases the porosity of the husk. Our pre-steaming process ensures thermal treatment to increase the porosity of the husk, increase water absorption rate, significant reduction of soaking time. Once the paddy reaches the desired temperature, the rotary valve will be open and paddy is being discharged to soaking tanks. Soaking. Agi Milltec has designed an efficient water circulation system for the soaking process. The paddy soaking process consists of water feeding system, water circulation system, and draining system. These systems are all automatic. The sensors fitted on the tanks stops the paddy filling once it reaches prescribed levels. These sensors also stop further filling of water. Simultaneously, the automatic water circulation system is initiated. The cycle repeats several times to maintain the grain equilibrium. Each and every grain will undergo uniform gelatinization process in order to get the desired result in terms of color and characteristics. During the process of gelatinization, starch granules get deformed. The grain swells by approximately 18 to 20%. At the same time, nutrients are infused from the bran to the endosperm. After gelatinization, the moisture content of the paddy will increase up to 34% to 36%. Once the paddy reaches desired saturation levels, the soaking process is concluded. Paddy discharge. Vessel to belt conveyor, to elevator, to hopper, to online cooker filling. At the end of the soaking, we obtain gelatinized patty. The gelatinized patty is discharged to the belt conveyor, which in turn feeds to the elevator of the next level process in online cooker to further gelatinize the patty to achieve the best degree of starch gelatinization, ensuring homogeneous parboiling results. Final steaming. The gelatinized patty is then conditioned or thermally treated for a prescribed time. Based on the consumer color preference, this process monitored and controlled by the PLC. Online cooker is suitable for all patty varieties. Completely automatic, continuous cooking system. Can be easily retrofitted to existing parboiling and drying plants. Once the patty reaches the present temperature, the rotary valve will be open and patty is being discharged to the fluidized bed cooler. AGI Milltec's fluidized bed cooler will cool down parboiled patty and remove 4 to 5% surface moisture to avoid the discoloration during loading of the patty in dryer. Reduce up to 2 hours drying time, depending upon the ambient temperature and relative humidity. Improve the drying performance and quality. Drying. The wet-cooled, parboiled patty filler in dryer. Once the patty reaches the desired level, then the patty travels in recirculation mode. Once the patty attains desired moisture, patty stored in final storage bin. System designed to all types processing, like steam, double boiled, etc. System compatible to set parameters for desired color. Less broken and zero maintenance. AGI Milltec's drying systems are the result of continuing research and development in search unique patty parboiling dryer for efficient and uniform drying. AGI Milltec drying system is flexible and tailor-made to suit the customer requirement. AGI Milltec's full automation multi-purpose parboiling and drying technology consists of 3 dryers and intermediate tempering bin for efficient, gentle, and precise drying. Operations of the drying system begin by feeding wet and cooled parboiled patty to the dryer elevator, which fills patty in dryer 1. Once the patty reaches to the rated capacity of dryer 1, the feeding is shut off and the dryer switches on to recirculation mode. Dryer operation. We have plenum area, where hot air is introduced to the dryer and then through the grain. Hot air flows over the hot air plenum chamber to dryer chamber, as the grains passes through drying chamber and air flows in triangular duct, V-port, resulting in truly mixed of flow of grain and hot air. 1. Specially designed V-ports suits to all types of patty. 2. Zero maintenance. 3. Designed with unique V-ports achieve uniform drying and efficient aerodynamic heat transfer. 4. Excellent drying efficiency ensure less broken and uniform drying. Grain moves to the top of dryer and is simply fed down by gravity, and hot air moves through the dryer through V-ports from hot air plenum chamber. AGI Milltec V-ports designed in such a way to deliver the grains uniformly and allow every grain exposed to uniformly hot air throughout the length of drying chamber. Once paddy reaches approximately 28% to 20% moisture, then the recirculation mode will shut off. Between drying cycle, paddy gets an intermediate rest in tempering bin 1 to equilibrate the moisture within the kernel. Once the paddy reaches 20% moisture, then paddy send to in dryer 2. Once the paddy reaches desired level in dryer 2, then paddy dryer switches to recirculation mode. To maintain the grain quality and minimize the broken, drying temperature will be reduced. Once the paddy attains 16% moisture, paddy get intermediate rest in tempering bin 2 to equilibrate the moisture within the kernel. In dryer 3, drying temperature will be further reduced. Once the paddy attains 13 to 14% moisture, paddy stored in final storage bin. Operation of dryer mainly depends on ambient air, which fluctuates widely from season to season and affects performance of the dryer. AGI Milltec's drying system is isolated from all seasonal changes and environmental changes. AGI Milltec's dryers designed to ensure desired quality of the product consistently at the outlet of dryer every single day throughout the year. AGI Milltec end-to-end rice milling solutions. AGI Milltec rice milling machines are designed to provide higher yield and profitability for the rice millers. Our innovative rice processing solutions minimize the in-process wastage, manpower requirement, and maintain hygienic standards in food processing. We design, manufacture, and supply end-to-end rice milling solutions, including cleaning machines, husking machines, whitening machines, polishing machines, grading machines, sorting machines, and packaging machines. AGI Milltec Classifier. Classifier can efficiently separate oversized and undersized impurities from food grains. The inbuilt self-clean system ensures optimum efficiency during the production cycle. AGI Milltec Classifier is of dust-free operation and angle controller to adjust the angle of throw. AGI Milltec De-Stoner. De-Stoner, intended to facilitate the removal of stones from input grains by separating impurities based on their densities. AGI Milltec De-Stoner are installed with closed-circuit dust aspiration systems. AGI Milltec Pneumatic Sheller. Pneumatic sheller is fully automatic with imported vibro feeder. This machine is capable of attaining up to 95% shelling. An inbuilt cooling system to dissipate heat generated on the rubber rolls. AGI Milltec Tray Separator. Tray paddy separator can efficiently separate paddy and brown rice by its differential density. The separated products are discharged via 3 separate outlets for brown rice, paddy, and a mixture of paddy and rice. Rice, brown rice, mixture. AGI Milltec Thickness Grater. AGI Milltec Thickness Grater is used to separate different thickness grains. The material is processed through revolving cylindrical screens that are efficient for separating admixture of oversized or undersized grains. AGI Milltec Rice Whitener. Rice whitener incorporates advanced techniques for whitening of brown rice. The rice whitened very gently between abrasive and metal break, without distracting the original shape of the rice kernel. The bran that is removed after whitening is used for oil extraction. AGI Milltec Silky Polisher. Silky Polisher is used for polishing the rice surface by spraying water. Grains are coated with a fine spray of water, resulting in a high degree of glazing. The Silky Polisher produces rice grains with a shiny surface finish. AGI Milltec Length Grater. AGI Milltec Length Grater is widely used for the separation of broken rice from full rice and long rice. Our length graters enable our customers to separate broken grains from whole grains by passing them through rotating indented cylinders. AGI Milltec Color Sorter. AGI Milltec color sorters are accurate and efficient with an excellent sorting capability. Our color sorters are equipped with several features such as maglev technology ejectors, auto sorting control systems, image capturing systems, and capable of storing up to 200 profiles. AGI Milltec Packing Machine. Our packaging equipment allows our customers to pack grains into bags with capacities ranging from 5 kilograms to 75 kilograms. AGI Milltec packaging machines are available in 2 models with single and double dosing options. For more information on AGI Milltec end-to-end rice milling solutions, please contact at toll-free number 1-800-102-8431. Email marketing@milltecmachinery.com.